This is the Help Me video for question 8. It starts off with a straightforward definition, AO1, biodiversity. You find some definitions would just be the number of different species in an area, but the full definition is kind of how many species there are and how many individuals of each species. So the number of species and the number of individuals of each species in an area, or possibly the number and variety of organisms found in a particular area. When you're looking at this, I shouldn't have written that in, it's only a Help Me video. When you're looking at these numbers, and there's three things that you need to do. They've given you a lot of information about how they collected this data, which we might use later on. But if we look at the data that we've got, this is per 10,000 metres squared. So the first thing to do is to, well, most people is work out the mean of those. So that'll give you a mean number per 10,000 metres squared. And then we need to give our answer in kilometres squared. So 1 kilometre will give 1 kilometre squared. That's the same thing as, well, what's 1 kilometre is 1,000 metres. You can do this in your head, or 1,000 times by 1,000 is 1,000,000. So 1 with 6 zeros, and that's metres squared. So we've got our answer, our mean answer for 10,000 metres squared, but we need to scale it up now for a 1,000,000 metres squared. And so what you do is, with any number, to convert one into another, divide it by the 10,000 times by the 1,000,000, and that'll give you your answer. And then for Marksman evaluation, this is quite tough. In the Marksman, the evaluations are all kind of negative aspects, but I think you should be thinking about positive things as well. Things that you can look at, you can maybe criticise the amount of area of the reef that they've studied. It does give some information. They counted visible starfish. You make a comment on that. You could make a comment on these results. Whether you look, if you were to calculate the standard deviation of these, what would it be? So I'll comment on the range. So try and make some comments on this data.